Hey guys, well, I'm gonna do a little cooking today. Got my hat on. This was a gift that was given to me back in the 1990s, and I've had it ever since. I like it, it fits. If it fits, wear it, right? So I'm gonna make some shrimp and crab fried Diavolo over a bed of linguine. So that's it. That's where I'm at, and I'm gonna get started. Okay, so if you want to follow along, go right ahead. It will be tasty. You know what I mean? Well, yesterday I did go crabbing, and I did manage to get 8 keepers. So they're all in here. They've been cleaned very well, and they've been halved. Okay? So, what I'm going to do with this, as well as these jumbo shrimp, I'm going to make a fried Diavolo. Shrimp and crab fried Diavolo. And it's going to go on top of a bed of linguine. Alright, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm kind of going to marinate it. I have my my special little virgin olive oil with a touch of Medina balsamic vinegar. Just get it in there. It has a little bit of heat and a special herbs in there that I put in. Okay, that's the first thing we're gonna do. I'm gonna just mix it around a little bit. Oh, you gotta smell that. Oh my gosh. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little kosher salt in there, a little sprinkle away. Mix it up. Okay, same with this guy, a little bit of salt. There you go. Okay, a little peppercorn, pepper. There you go, a little there, a little here. I'll mix it up a little bit. Alrighty then. Here too. Last but not least, some crushed red pepper flakes. Okay? Mix that up in there. Mix that up in there. It's going to marinate overnight with both of them. And that's it. I'm going to cover them up. It's going back in the refrigerator. Then we'll get to the next step tomorrow. I just picked some fresh basil, oregano, and parsley from the yard. And this is going to go into the sauce of the fried Diavolo that I'm going to make. Okay, so I've got my my stovetop going at medium high. I'm going to put a little olive oil in here. And the first thing I'm going to do is put in these guys, some shrimp. Just for about maybe 2 minutes. That's all. To get those going, and then I'm going to take them out and I'm going to get the sauce going. Alright? Here you go. So we're just going to bounce them around a little bit. Create a little flavor in there from the shrimps and the red pepper flakes. Okay? We're going to do that for about 2 minutes. We're going to turn them over and then we're going to take them out. I don't want to cook them all the way through. Okay, we're going to hold that till the end. Okay, as you can see, they're getting a little brown in here. Maybe you can't see it because of the light. Let's see. Let's see what happens here. A little bit too much. That's better. Okay. They're cooked up a little bit, and I'm done with it. Now I'm just going to put them in my little bowl, and that's it. They're going to rest here, and they're going to come back later. Okay, now I'm going to get things started towards the sauce, and I'm going to put some red onions in there to get involved with all that flavor that the shrimp's left behind. That's it. I'm going to wait to caramelize this, probably about 2 or 3 minutes, still on medium high. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. Everything is caramelizing. I'm gonna pop in a little garlic in here so they can get happy together. You know, like the song. So happy together. So how is the weather? Yeah, it's been hot. It's been humid. So I'm gonna bounce that out for a little while. And that's that. And I'm gonna come back with my fresh tomatoes now. Of course, you can add salt and pepper if you'd like to your taste. Let me go get that, Jack. All right. Basically, what I got with my tomatoes here, probably about a can. You can use crushed tomatoes. I like fresh tomatoes. I got some from the yard, or some from the market. I take most of the seeds out, and here we go. She's sizzling. You know, this will also get all that yumminess out of there. Now, you want to put a little salt and pepper in. Okay, you want to kick it up just a little bit, not too much. Okay. And you want to let this thing reduce down. You want to cook this now. Once it reduces down, we're going to come in with the wine. Okay, I'm waiting for this to reduce, to cook up a little bit. Let me check this. Still waiting for this to boil so I can get my linguine in there. That's where we're at. Okay, I'm going to cover it up now. Let it cook, let it steam up in there. Should take a few minutes. She's steaming a little. I'm gonna come in with some fresh parsley. Get that in there. I'm gonna save some for later. I have twice as much parsley as I have fresh garlic and basil, which is all from my yard. Can't beat that, Jack. Alright, let's mix it up and get it all back. There you go. Okay, after a couple of minutes, I'm going to come back with some fresh basil and oregano from the yard. Okay, I'm going to put half of that in there that I have in here. I'm going to save all this for later when we're done. Look how happy it's getting. Are these guys happy in there or what? They're happy. If you were here and you were smelling this, you'd be very happy too. Believe me. Okay, looks like it's drying up a bit, so I'm going to take some of the water from here, and it's going to sizzle. Heat and heat. See that sucker bubbling now? Can you see it bubbling? And what that did, it deglazed the pan. And all that flavor is back on top. It's not on a pan anymore. Because all that was drying up, all that flavor that it created, it's back on top. I took the cover off because I wanted to reduce again. And I'm going to come back with a little red wine to kick it up a little bit. Okay, so I got my cappuccino cup full of Merlot. There we go, with the Merlot. All right, I'm gonna cover it up again where I can smell that wine coming right up. I'll wait a while. I'll let the alcohol evaporate. Love that smell. It's all good. Love it. Okay, pasta's ready. She's boiling. Here we go. I'm gonna stir it up. And you gotta stir it, otherwise it's gonna stick to each other. Stir it right away and do it every once in a while. Okay, the alcohol has evaporated. That took a couple of minutes. I'm gonna come in with my crabs now that were cleaned last night. We're gonna get that in there. And they're gonna get happy. And we're gonna put the cover on it. And just let it cook. I'm gonna raise the heat up a little bit. That's it. I'll give you a sneak peek. Show you where we're at here. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? Okay, so after about 12 to 15 minutes, you can come in with the shrimp. Okay, like this. Just gonna pop it in there. Mix it around. Let them get acquainted. You know, camaraderie's a beautiful thing. Get friendly, Jack. There you go. Get it in there. Have some fun, guys. All right? See you later. Look how beautiful that is. Okay. I'm gonna give it one more mix. And she'll be ready in a couple of minutes. And yeah, time to mangiare. Mangiamo, figlio mio, mangiamo! Yeah, she's ready to go. It'll continue cooking. I'm gonna shut it off. And that's it.